Okay.
Hysteroscopy అంటున్నావు కదా అదిగో. Look at that. I am into the cavity now. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. We can see.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So that is the left tubal ostium, and I am not going to repeat that. That is the right tubal ostium,
Okay,
central
sir.
of the center. And cheating little finger, yeah, fine, so that you don't come on the way. Can you see that? Now there's a little bit of small septum is there, if you can see that. Okay, this is the endometrium, and this is the atrophic endometrium,
Okay, sir.
and there's a small polyp. Can you see
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
Are you able to see this polyp?
Yes.
We can see. sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll just show you a few nicks of septal resection. Scissors here, amma.
Old season.
I'll just show you few nicks, and then we'll go for the polypectomy.
Okay, sir.
So did you realize why he thought it was a septum? He told in the last class when we were seeing both the ostia simultaneously, they should be at the same level.
Now you see that when you see the both ostium, can you see there is something like two
Sir, I
caves?
can see.
Understood?
Yes.
Now look at that. I am standing. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to sit and do the hysteroscopy. Can you see that? Now you slowly push in your scissors. Now get your landmarks properly. So now this is the scissors, and you just cut it. This is just for the demonstration of the septal resection. Can you see that? This is how you cut it.
Okay, sir.
We so wanted to see the septal
Okay.
resection. Our patient had
So I'm just showing you like that. Okay. So the most important thing is look at that. The pink, the white is becoming pink.
Yes, sir.
That means you're going into the myometer. If you reduce that, it will start bleeding. So that is the limit where you have to stop.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So that is why you have to do your white balance properly. If you don't do your white balance properly, you will be in trouble. So you'll be walking into the myometrium, and you will also entering the myometrial wall. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is how you can cut the polyp. And I'll also show you betuchi needle unda. Bipolar unte neeku generator atu undiga. So I'll show you how to do with the scissors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now my cable is upright and my scope is down. I am operating with the left hand. Can you see that? So this is how you cut the, probably this is what is seen as 4 mm endometrium. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are with you.
postmenopausal bleeding.
Maybe this. Can you see that now the polyp is out? Where is that? The most important now, it keeps on floating and it is very difficult to pick it up and bring it. Okay, because it will be tossing inside because you are pushing the fluid and all that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And bipolar, let monopolar this.
That is a cervical canal. You are coming.
Yeah, this is cervical canal. So always stand at a distance and you cut it.
Okay, sir.
Can you see that? Now almost you cut it if there were to be some bleeding. Hey, వచ్చిందా bipolar? Machine రావాలి తల్లి. No, I have not done any outflow or something. సరే పెట్టలేదు తల్లి ఇది. ఆగా ఇది పట్టుకురా. అది వదిలేసి అది అరే పట్టుకో ఓంకార్ ఈవిడ మోనోపోలార్కి పెట్టిందమ్మా. వెయిట్ అమ్మా ప్లీజ్. You please wait తల్లి వెయిట్. ఏ బెట్టొచ్చి నీడ్లీ. Endoscopy, you have to keep on seeing something. That is a basic principle. Hey, cable. Bipolar cable. నువ్వు ఇచ్చింది మోనోపోలార్. బెట్టుచ్చి నీడిలే ఉందా? ఈవిడ మోనోపోలార్ కనెక్ట్ చేసింది అది. Sarah. Okay, Dr. Murmu. Sir, you are the one who has asked for this. Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, bipolar. Okay, this is a special bipolar needle. It's called a Bertucci needle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, foot pedal and better. Huh? G2, Tagich, G1 bit. So you can also take it like with a cautery like that. Look at that. See, the entire assembly moves, and you can take the biopsy like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All. Very good. Yeah, bipolar cut this. Okay.
And those bits of tissues, you have to pick it up like with the
With
grass
arm
cutter.
forceps, or you can just curate it out. Can you see that? So you don't fear that you will have bleeding and all that.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now my cable is upright. My light cable is at 12 o'clock. Now the entire unit is being swung from left to right. Okay, now I am using bipolar. And you know the price of this needle?
Awesome.
38.
Don't tell me it is
I
single
broke
use.
4 of these. I broke 4 of these. Very, 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 very gentle. Very, very delicate needle this is. And I'll also show you what is called a lateral metroplasty. When you want to do lateral metroplasty, you just, look at that. Now that ostium is not seen. You just do a few cuts like this. This is lateral metroplasty. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Are you? So when you do that lateral metroplasty, you should be able to see the ostium, and this lateral wall and that ostium should be in alignment. Okay.
Okay,
This
sir.
is lateral metroplasty. You go on doing that. Look at that. Okay. You see that you leave behind at least 8 millimeters of. See, look at that. Now this ostium is seen, right? But this ostium is not seen. So you cut it in such a way that you see these things together. This is also pink. Now if I stop this, it will bleed. Okay, now I have shut down the.
So how much depth you will do that lateral metroplasty?
That depends on my ultrasound.
Okay.
So at least you should leave behind at least 8 millimeters of myometry. So there. Now it is for someone. Listen. Madam Tripura Sundari, madam.
Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you look at this? The machine is showing 150, but look at this flow.
No, we are not able to see the endomat, sir.
No. Okay. Now that look at this flow.
Okay.
This is
You want me to see the flow?
Yeah. Now you see.
Okay.
I'll just show you. Now you see the flow.
Yeah.
Did difference? Now which was forceful, initial or this one? Second one. And look at this. This is the difference.
Yeah.
Outflow.
No. There's no outflow. There's no outflow. Because the irrigation channel has been occupied this instrument. That is why the bore is less. The flow is less. So if you depend on that 150, you will end up in having a collapsed cavity. So here you have to increase 200. Here you will have practically 100 or 80.
Correct.
Now I showed you practically. One is, like a dripping. The other one is when I really removed this. So when I am doing this, I am using this, I increase the pressure.
Oh,
I should not go by that machine. It is showing 150. No, not more than 150, not more than 150.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Got it, madam? I hope I have answered your question.
Yes, sir.
Happy.
So those of you in the hall, I hope you appreciated those wonderful surgery. Very clean cut, quick dilatation, without any dilatation. In fact, he went in and you could see the ostia. And because they were not at the, there was that little septum. He showed us how to do that septal resection also. And also lateral metroplasty. I think we have seen so many procedures in this.
And the one.
Polypectomy.
This is what I was trying to tell you. For a beginner, I always tell them to touch the fundus and come back.
Okay, sir.
When you do about 100, 150 surgeries, get the orientation. Gentle curate cheyamma. when you get the experience, you go prospectively. Now look at the previous one. It had bleeding. The moment you put in a dilator, it bleeds.
That's true.
The
sir.
moment you don't put in a dilator, you'll have
But for if you are a 4 mm scope,
Not
without
necessary.
dilatation, it will go.
Paris lady. Why do you want to dilate?
Paris, of course, but otherwise we
Not-
find it so difficult.
You can dilate. There's no hard and fast rule. I'm just trying to tell you with
Other-
dilatation and without
correct,
dilatation.
But
Either
this
ways you
came in
can.
so easily and so fast. Beautiful.
It was nice, ma'am. Nice to see. Thank you, sir.